If you want extra points in your team from your strikers, false 9 is the best position or formation to play on your FPL or Fantasy Premier League. Good evening from the top of the world. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to play false 9 formation in Fantasy Premier League. You go to Premier League app, then you go to Fantasy, and after you are here, you go to Pick Team, and you must select the striker that you want to play and replace it with another player. So you can see here that I have 3 strikers as of now. This means that I am already in a false 9 position. So how to do that is, I'm gonna teach you guys first. This is a non-false 9 position. This is a 4-4-2 position, and to place your team on false 9, you're gonna choose the striker and you're gonna replace it with your defender, your midfielder, or anyone that you prefer. So now I'm on a false 9 position, and this is how you place your team on false 9 position and play it as you wish. So thank you for watching this video. It was great, and if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.